Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve stumble guys not available. To know how to fix or how to solve your problems or issues that you have on stumble guys not available, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to this window of apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about this window of stumble guys and you will enter here. Then in this list of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, but be attention, don't click clear data because that can make a lot of problems on your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.